The model here is the Autobrake 1014 Kombi. This machine will bend material up to 10 feet in length and up to 14 gauge mild steel. The Autobrake 1014 comes standard with 3 bending bars. They are the 20mm, 10mm, and 7mm. And there's also an optional 25mm bending bar. Here is the crowning adjustment plate. There are 5 of these across. They come standard on all Autobrakes. The crowning adjustment eliminates shimming and improves bend accuracy. The Kombi beam rotates 180 degrees, offering 2 sets of tooling: straight tooling or box and fan tooling. With 3 sets of back gauge fingers, any dimension can be attained in 2 seconds. The Autobrake has intelligent controls. Synergy is a highly advanced CNC system that takes the complexity out of programming and running parts. The Roper Whitney Autobrake is USA made, manufactured right here in Rockford, Illinois.